Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I wish you a very happy new year. This is the first video of the year. So the first video I thought of talking about philodendron plant. Philodendron plants are best indoor plants, and also you can propagate them easily with stem cuttings. Even a small leaf could be propagated easily and they can easily grow in pots. So here I have my philodendron plant, and there are many varieties of them. Golden philodendron, here I have kept it indoors and it's growing in water. So as you can see, it's in water and beautifully growing in this pot. I have kept it inside this pot. This is another variety. So here I have another philodendron propagated in water, and I have kept it near a windowsill where it gets the filtered sunlight. Locate this plant in a place where it gets the filtered sunlight, medium sunlight but not direct sunlight, because it will burn the leaves of the plant. So always keep it near a windowsill if you are keeping it indoors, and provide medium filtered sunlight for this plant. Always provide indirect sunlight so they will grow very well. So when talking about watering these philodendron plants, keep the moisture balance. Do not let the plant soil get too dry or too soggy, and balance the moisture level, because these plants doesn't like dry soil and soggy soil. So that is also you will have to keep in mind. Time to time pruning and propagating also is a must. Do not let this plant get so big, because pruning is the best way to control the growth of these plants, because they grow huge and uncontrollable. So you can time to time propagate these plants. Repotting is the other thing. When the plant gets bigger, you can transfer them to another accurate pot where they can grow very healthily. So transferring these plants time to time will give the plant a new look, and also you can grow them very healthy and also multiply them easily. If you're keeping these philodendrons indoors, put them time to time outside to get fresh air. That is also another tip, because these plants do love the sunlight. Keep it in a spot where it gets the filtered sunlight and fresh air. Use organic fertilizer once a month for these plants. These plants are not that fertilizer seeking, but you can use always organic fertilizer as per your wish. So once a month you can use any kind of fertilizer, liquid or any fertilizer that you have of your choice. So when propagating, take a stem cutting like this where the knots are appearing. Keep it in fresh water near a windowsill for better growth. So time to time clean the water and provide fresh water. So those are the basic tips of caring for philodendron plants. Thanks for watching.